हेलो सुपर अचीवर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स एंड इंडिविजुअल्स। यस्टरडे मैंने एक शॉर्ट वीडियो डाला था मेरा चैनल में। हैव यू गॉन थ्रू? अगर आपने देखा नहीं है प्लीज देखिए। एंड उसमें एक चैलेंज दिया गया है एंड उसमें पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए। एंड चैलेंजेस शुड नॉट फियर यू। चैलेंज में पार्टिसिपेट करने से यू लर्न एंड यू कैन ग्रो। यू लर्न लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बाय टेकिंग पार्ट इन चैलेंजेस। इसलिए मैं हर एक स्टूडेंट को एडवाइस करता हूँ कि स्कूल में या कॉलेज में कोई भी एक्टिविटी होता है और कंपटीशन होता है, प्लीज टेक पार्ट इन दोज थिंग्स, बिकॉज वो अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको बाद में नहीं मिलेगा। दोज आर द अपॉर्चुनिटी यू बिल्ड अप योर स्किल्स। आज का जो टॉपिक है ना, हम बात करेंगे कैन यू अर्न वाइल यू आर लर्निंग। अगर आप क्लास 9, 10th, 11, 12 और ग्रेजुएशन में है, can you earn side by side while you are learning? That means without affecting your academics. आपका academic performance मतलब hamper नहीं होना चाहिए if you are earning. And suppose you are starting from class 9, you start building a skill, you will earn after 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. It is not that once you started learning means you will earn. I am talking about the skills. So before going to the topic, I am welcoming you to my channel at the rate Pratap Harichandan in the bracket Atindriyam, where we are building super achievers. And don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that I could build a community of super achievers. Please help me out. Now let's go to the topic. पहला चीज, first thing what you have to do, आपका एक गोल होना चाहिए कि हाउ मच आई वांट टू अर्न आफ्टर 1 year, 2 year, like 100 rupees per month after 2 years. You must have a goal. Take small goals, not big goals. Earning 100 rupees also shows that you have the capability, you have learned the skill, you have developed the skill. Second क्या है, once you set the goal, you have awareness plus what skills you have to build so that you can earn 100 rupees per month. That is called money mindset. First thing, money mindset. Goal is equal to your awareness plus skill building. Now start करते हैं आपका टाइमलाइन क्या रहेगा एंड कौन सा स्किल बिल्डअप करेंगे. First 0 to 3 months will take 12 months time. 0 to 3 months you must know what is the behavior of money. You must know what is active money. That is, active money is what? Once you work, you are paid, you earn. Passive money means like stock market. You have invested and regularly you are getting money. That is called passive money. And you must read 2 books. That is available Hindi also. Hindi में भी available है. First book आपको पढ़ना चाहिए Rich Dad Poor Dad. The second book है Psychology of Money. You read this book once, twice or thrice as much as you can. Learn from there. It is not sake of reading you read. You must implement. उसमें जो क्या है learnings है उसको आपको implement करना है. आपका skill building का साथ में उसको implement करना है. अभी आते हैं second step क्या है. ये है month 4 to month 9. 0 to 3 month that's gone and from month 4 to month 9. इसमें आपको स्किल बिल्डअप करना पड़ेगा. ओके, आई एम गिविंग यू 12 months, यू कैन टेक इट टू 15 months और 2 years as per your capability, as per your availability. And I would request you to plan your time actually for this skill building. Weekly 2 to 3 hours can you invest, that you have to take out and definitely you can take out. Learn, see, skills means और हम लोग उनका जो ट्रेडिशनल स्किल्स है बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स लर्न भी कर रहे होंगे, हाँ करते हैं. लाइक सिंगिंग हो गया, दोज आर इंटरेस्टेड फॉर सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, म्यूजिकल लर्निंग, म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, गिटार, तबला, हारमोनियम. पीपल आर लर्निंग. बंगाल आई थिंक दैट इज ए कंपल्सरी. यू आर लर्निंग सिंगिंग, रविंद्र संगीत, मेनी स्कूल्स, दैट इज ए कंपल्सरी. बट इन 21st century to earn money you must learn some skills which are actually digital things like content creation. I'm giving you one source or example. If you are studying, you are making notes for your science subject or mathematics or physics or chemistry, biology, SST or anything. If you are arts student, economics, political science, are you making notes? Please make it in your laptop. Have a laptop. Or if you are writing in a copy, write neatly so that you can take photographs and share. That is your educational content. That becomes your educational content creation. You can learn video editing skills. See, a lot of video editors are required. It will go on increasing. I need a video editor because I want to invest this video editing time in my other work. Video editing. Then you can learn what graphic designing, logo designing. These are the digital things you can learn. Another learning is communication skills. Like if you have a good communication skill like speaking skills, you can earn a lot in your future, because nowadays the public speakers are earning a lot of money. You have the ability to speak in public and get the attraction. You can learn, you can earn. So these are the some skills I just tell you, and you can learn these things easily online, and those are sometimes very less or less tuition fees or freely available. From YouTube also learn. You can earn. Many students, those who are from villages, they are YouTube creators. How they also learn video creating, video editing, lot of things, and they are earning through YouTube. Do you agree with this or not? So why can't you? See, actually, what I think, no, you just see the results very fast. No, you have to be consistent and go on working. Go on working. One day you will get your result, because result हम लोग का पास वो हम लोग पास में नहीं है. हम लोग पास में क्या है? We can invest our time, money, energy on process or method. Go on, and वो process refine होते जाता है. You learn lot of things and you become a fantastic in that skill. ये हो गया 3 to 9 सॉरी 4 to 9. नेक्स्ट आते हैं मंथ 10 and 12. 10, 11 and 12. उसमें क्या करेंगे? You start a small project, or you take some work of the people, take the work from people. Some you start with free, then you can start earning from them. Just charge for one logo design or some one video editing. Ask for a small video editing, ask for 100 rupees per video. Like short video, if you want to edit, you can ask for 100 rupees per video. Another thing also you can make, managing the social media platforms of small shopkeepers in your area. Those are having, I'm giving one example, a furniture shop, big furniture shop, they must be needing a man who can manage their social media platform like Facebook and Instagram for their publicity, for their advertisements. There are needs in the market. You have to go and ask for them. So you can start your first earning from there. And what you have to invest, what you have to invest. First, you have to invest your 2 to 3 hours or 1 to 2 hours of your time to learn the skills first. And don't skip in between. Second option to earn money is investment and saving. You must be getting pocket money. So open a bank account of your own. Go to a bank. You know the process, how a bank account is open. Get all the things and open a trading account also and demat account. Start investing in a SIP. These also you can learn from YouTube, or I can also teach you how to invest in a SIP. See, these things are required to learn nowadays. You will be unique from others. Learn something or do something different from others. These are the skills, some of the skills. What skills I told you? Traditional skills, you know, dancing and musical instrument learning, then singing and photography. These things are the traditional skills. Nowadays, the digital skills are creating a content, educational content you can create, then video editing and logo designing or graphic designing or managing a social media for a small shopkeeper, small businessman. These are the skills just I told you. And now this is the skill: investment and saving. Open a bank account, trading account and demat account and start learning how to invest and you can earn money. Next है build a personal brand. By doing this, you are building your personal brand and collaborate with brands as a student influencer. Suppose educational contents those are putting, or suppose the IITG coaching institutes, you can become an educational influencer for them. You have built your brand because people are following you. Branding means what? People are following you in Instagram, in Facebook, LinkedIn. LinkedIn I have not told you. You start with Facebook and Instagram. See, while learning these things, what you experience? You get real world experiences, how the money transaction is taking place, sales and marketing, and you become job ready. After you finish your academics, you are job ready. Companies will take you easily because you all that is needed you have, and you have confidence, self growth, develop the communication skills. Lot of things you learn. Attract opportunity. Learn what you truly enjoy. These things also you can know. While suppose you try for video editing, no, you are not interested. So you start managing a social media, Facebook, Instagram, which you want, that you also learn. So this is a skill that you can develop and definitely you can earn while you are learning. So this is called actually side hustles. And don't think that side hustle is a side business. It is not a side business. You are learning the skills. You are making your brands. Okay. This is all about to earn while you learn. And if you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. If you need any help, please contact me. I can help you definitely. All the love, all the power.